Good afternoon and welcome to my beautiful bungalow. Today we are not at my beautiful bungalow, but rather at my parents' house, and I planted up their front garden. My parents are in their 80s, and as much as they love to garden, it is getting too hard for them to plant annuals every year. So I came and did a ton of perennials, as well as a beautiful window box. I will show you the before picture, and I will show you what some of the things that we planted here are. We plan on removing this arborvitae. It's old, the deer have gotten at it on the bottom, it's misshapen, and it's an eyesore at this point, so we are going to take it out. In its place, we have put this beautiful privet. I got this privet that will get white flowers from Lowe's for $3. It was brown and crunchy and did not look pretty, and I nursed it back to health before planting it here. It will get 6 to 8 feet wide, and I believe 8 to 10 feet tall. So it really will fill in this whole area quite nicely, and that will make this unnecessary. We also have an ostrich fern, which gets about 3 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. Beautiful. And so some of these things we may have to move around once we see how they grow and what they're doing, but this is just the starting phase. And this is a bungleweed burgundy glow. It just gets a pretty color. It stays small and compact, but it just adds some nice contrasting color to the garden, a little silvery green, very pretty. And then we have a blue salvia, which is also lovely. We have a buddy purple gomphrena, which are beautiful, very pretty. And that is a little Henry spirea by Proven Winners. It should get some beautiful flowers on it. And this is a heuchera purple, Palace purple, very pretty. And then we have our New Guinea impatiens, this beautiful pink color. We've just repeated the varieties throughout the garden. 4 different plants. We only put 2 of the bungleweed in, just as a little accent color, and repeated them. And again, if we need to move anything, we certainly will. This arborvitae will be coming out to make room for this Miss Kim Korean lilac. This is a compact lilac. It gets 6 to 8 feet tall, so we will be moving it over. I purchased this. This is a $70 shrub that I purchased for $10. They planted it here, and next spring we will be transplanting it over there when we remove the arborvitae. We just didn't want to do it this year because they would have had nothing in its place, so we're going to wait till that gets a little bigger. The other thing we did was we built them this window box. It still needs some caulking and some filling in some places, but the plants will grow down and hide a lot of that until we can repair it. And what we put in here are absolutely gorgeous. I love this combination. We have Kong coleus in the back, and that will get, I believe, about 18 inches to 20 inches tall. And then we have some New Guinea impatiens, which also get pretty tall, but not as tall as the Kong coleus. And then we have some Creeping Jenny by Proven Winners, Goldilocks, I believe that's called. And then we have some Wandering Jew. So those 2 will fall over. I think the color combination is just magnificent with these. I think it is just such a simple and pretty window box, just repeating itself. And I can't wait to keep you updated and show you what this garden grows into. It's a really, really pretty garden. And my parents, I know, are thrilled to death. And everything in here, with the exception of the New Guinea impatient, is perennial. So everything will come back. And like I said, we may need to move some things and make adjustments as they grow. And if we do, we certainly will take care of that. So this is my parents' garden. I think this is a fabulous recipe to try as far as the window box goes. If you're interested in something new, I certainly will be doing this at my house. I absolutely love it and think it's just darling. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to make some and let me know what you think about our combinations. Hope you make it a great day.